Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm inspired by a ski resort frozen makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. What I've done so far is that I have done my lips because it's not in focus, but the lip combo that I have is the W7 All-Rounder in the shade Fling as a lip liner that I put all over my lips, and then I have the W7 Lippy Cheek in the shade Free Speech on top of that. That is the lips, and then I have just a hot pink blush going. Most of it is focused here, but I put a little over here because if you're doing something that is like, my idea for this is something that is ski resort frozen vibe, because if I'm at a ski resort, I'm skiing, but when I'm skiing it's cold, so my face will be pink, and we are doing a little hint of that. The first thing that I want to go in with is the W7 Sherbet Pop and go in with Frozen, which is this shade right here, and hit my mirror on the way down, I guess. Then I will take a fluffy brush like so and just apply this in the crease and above the crease. Fling it out a little bit, don't bring it too far down, just fling it out like so. Then I want to take a flat brush, same color, just apply that to my lower lashes in the outer corner. The next thing I will be going in with is the Makeup Revolution Constellation in the shade Fractal, which is this one right here. And for this, I just want to take a flat brush, like the same, I guess, flat brush, and just apply that all over my lid, but making sure I get like a nice line right here. Now I just want to go straight in for the eyeliner, and I'm taking the Dipliner Ink by H&M that looks like this, if you can see it. And I'm just going to line my eyes. I do have an eyeliner tutorial and I would try to remember to link it up here. For for you guys. If not, it's just called an eyeliner tutorial for beginners or something along those lines. You can search it up on my channel. If I forget, I will try not to forget. Then I'm taking my Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm applying it only to my upper lashes. And then I will be taking a eyeliner pencil. You can use whatever you have. I have this one right here. And you just want to apply that to the outer half of your upper waterline. I don't think the makeup look is finished, so I'm taking my SoSu 7 Deadly Sins in Envy and applying that to my lashes. And my tip to you is to start with your bad eye, because you can always make your good eye match your bad eye by making it worse. But it's very difficult to put a lash on and make your good eye better, even better, and then you're trying to match your bad eye with an amazing eye. So just do your bad eye first. Or your least favorite eye. We all know we have one. Okay, we're almost done, but I want to pop on some highlighter, and I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather, and I'm going in with the white, taking a big fluffy brush for the larger areas of my face, a eyeshadow brush for more detailed places like my eyebrow arch and my nose, and then I'm taking a really small detailed brush for the inner corners of my eyes. then I'm finishing it off with the W7 Vitamin C Fixer setting spray. And here you have it, a ski resort frozen makeup look. I decided to go with the eyeshadow for the frozen part and just have the pink blush all over for a subtle hint of cold air and a lipstick that kind of goes with the vibe. And that is the look. This is what I would picture if I were taking pictures in the snow, if I were at a ski resort and I wanted to be like a snow bunny, but a little fun and playful with the makeup at the same time. And that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and a notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank all of you who are subscribed, all of you who like and comment my videos. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me and it helps me a lot. So thank you, thank you. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!